In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an all-day meeting in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this from start to finish, so even if you're new to Teams, you'll be able to follow along easily. An all-day meeting is perfect when you need a full-day event on everyone's calendar, like a workshop, an offsite, or a conference day, without worrying about specific start and end times. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar. You will find the calendar icon on the left-hand side of the Teams window. It usually looks like a small calendar grid. Click that, and this will switch you from chat or Teams view into your schedule view. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct date where you want this all-day event to appear. Next, look for the option to create a new meeting. In the top right area of the calendar screen, you should see a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the standard meeting scheduling form where you'll set up all the details for your all-day meeting. Now, start typing in your meeting details. In the title field, give your meeting a clear and descriptive name, so attendees immediately understand what it's about. Below that, you can add required attendees by typing their names or email addresses. You can also add an optional description in the text box provided. This is a great place to include an agenda, links to documents, or any instructions people need before the event. Once your basic details are in, look for the date and time section. Here's where you turn this into an all-day meeting. You'll see an option or a switch labeled All Day. Toggle this on. When you enable the All Day option, Teams will automatically remove specific start and end times and instead mark the entire day for this event. This makes it clear that the meeting spans the whole day without blocking out every single hour as a normal timed meeting would. Before you finish, quickly review everything: the title, attendees, date, and description. When you're happy with how it looks, click on Save. In some versions, this might say Send, which will both save the meeting and send calendar invites to your participants. After you save, your all-day meeting